Molweni, it's been a minute. Today I'm going to share with you guys my 2024 updated skincare routine. I first go in with the Glow Skin Toner from Woolworths. I love this stuff. I use it a couple of times a week. I just press it onto my skin, and just like that, the skin is glowing. Next up, I go in with Vaseline Blue Seal, the OG. Singenele ku-30s asingena ngasigalelekile, and it's very important to use eye cream. This is the safest product that you will ever use. The next product changed the game for me when it comes to uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dark marks. This product, it is worth every penny, and I saw results after a week of using this. My skin is so even, and my dark spots that I've had for years are fading away. Yes, again, the Bayer sunscreen standard procedure. I've been trying this one from Eucerin. I love it so much. It disappears so easily into the skin, but don't use it close to your eye area because it will sting your eyes. I love this stuff so much. Love the fact that it's SPF 50. You can never go wrong. Personally, I don't have a Glacierless 7-step skincare routine. These 4 products have completely changed the game for me, and I thought I would come on here and share that with you guys. Look at that. And now Valo, and you're getting a close up.